Railpens, Allen Chase, Ramsey, Indiana, at the high school. We're here for a car show, but we got a train show instead.
Look at that one! Woo! CVJC one right there. See a check? Yeah, so W. Pacific, Norfolk Southern, Kansas City Southern. Oh, look at that one. B1BX on the end.
That's the end.
It's just a little short auto rack.
Short auto rack. An auto rack to come by the what? Auto show. What do you tell people?
Like and subscribe and comment.
Thanks for watching, J&J Rail fans.
Ow.
God bless and have a great day.